Hello traders, this is Mike William. Today is November 7, 2014, and let's talk about Tesla. Tesla, you can see here, is still moving sideways. After the earnings reports, we didn't have a major move, so auction sellers won. They were the ones who made money. Everybody that bought straddles, boom, they lost their money. Now, if you see here, there's a clear symmetrical triangle wedge with support right here around Fibonacci retracement 224.41. So that's my level to watch. If you break down the level and confirm the next day, get short. But also, it can break out, and a very good level to watch if you want to enter long is the 247.29. So write down those two levels, 247.29 to get long, 224.41 to get short. DMI is neutral bearish and ADX is at 20, so I'm expecting right here a move up or down. So trade those price. Now let's talk about Regeneron Pharmaceuticals. This is a very strong stock. It's trending up. You can see right here a clear trend line. It break out the Fibonacci major resistance 366 back in October, the beginning of October, and is retesting that level right now. So that's an important level. It was resistant in August, it was resistant in September, and it was resisting at the beginning of October, but it break down, and finally at the end of October it break out. Now it's right back at that level, so it's a very important level. If you break down here, we can go and test this trend line, which is around Fibonacci support 305.56. I think this is a good one to hold long term, and if you can buy it right here at this trend line 305.56, it will be a bargain. DMI, volume, MACD, RSI, everything is bullish and strong. So I'm thinking that it probably is going to bounce right here, but if the market break down this week or pause, we can get a pause here too and move sideways or probably break down. But I'm thinking that this is going to bounce here, so just watch price. If we finish about the 5 simple moving average, that will be bullish. Now let's talk about Lulu. Lulu, if you can see here, it built a nice base. Let me zoom this out. Very nice base right here, trending between Fibonacci 45 and 37 since June. This is a multi-month consolidation. What is the level to watch? Write it down, 45.24. If we break out that level, get long. So now something very interesting that I'm looking on DMI that usually happens is when ADX is so low and we got a leader, which is the bulls right now, because the plus directional is the leader, we can get a big run. We can get a big run, so that means that not only a few buyers are buying, but a good buyers, and they're good buyers, and there's a lot of good buyers buying at this level. So there's not a lot of volume right now, but this low volume, a low ADX, and this consolidation here, trending to major resistance, it makes me think that a breakout right here is going to go to the 52 or 62. So write down this level, traders, 45.24 Lulu. Now let's talk about gold. Everybody's talking about gold. Everybody wants to jump in this one, since when you see a chart like this that it was 174 back in 2012, it was 137 back in September last year, and it was in March it was 130. Right now it's 112. So when you see a stock like that, everybody wants to jump long, because psychologically is like it's better to be long in here than to be short. But let me tell you something. This is still bearish. Look at this. The minus directional is the leader here, and the ADX is very strong. It's at 32. It break down major support. You can see here it break down major support is 114.39. Let me zoom this out for you. You break down this level 114.39, and it's trying to bounce right here. It print a couple dodges in this breakdown, but we didn't get a spike in volume, so it makes me think that this couldn't be a good bounce. It was probably fake, and being the DMI is bearish, I wanted to see a crossover on DMI. I wanted to see the plus directional on top, and I wanted to see price about 114.39 and good volume. That's what I wanted to see, good volume. But right here, I don't know yet if this is bullish. It's not bullish. It can be bullish, so the level to watch is 114.39 and wait for a crossover on DMI. Now let's talk about the last one. You know, it's Saturday night. Let's talk about only a few ones. I was just watching those, and I like the chart, so I wanted to share those. So right here, double bottom right here in EMES Energy. This one doesn't have auctions, but you can trade the stock, and you can see right here that this double bottom with directionals heading to the center. You see the plus direction is heading up and the minus direction heading down. If we get a crossover and a breakout of 86 is the number, very easy. 86, if you break out 86 and finish about 86, and we get a crossover on DMI, get long and EMES energy service. You know, I think this one is a big runner. So as soon as it start breaking this Fibonacci retracements, it can get easily to 100 in no time. So please put these charts, put these stocks in your watch list for next week, and remember all those levels that I just told you. Traders, I have a special offer on my website. It's a lifetime membership for only $299. No monthly payments. Many of you has asked me about this, since it's hard to pay monthly payments for service, for alerts. So right here, this is your opportunity to get into my billion, and you will get my mentoring, my alerts for 3 different portfolios: trading stocks long term, trading swing trades, auctions, and intradays also. So take this opportunity, join my billion, because this opportunity only lasts 2 weeks. So get in, get your membership, and get ready for 2015, because it's gonna be awesome. This is everything for today. Trade on.